Today's topic is how to switch UC monitoring providers without losing your data. I'm Jamie Litherland and I'm the Solutions Manager at VOSS. Many enterprises are rethinking their UC monitoring strategy. The pressure is rising as business leaders want better employee experience, higher uptime, and lower costs. IT teams can't afford to be weighed down by tools that only offer visibility. For many, that means switching providers. But there's one big blocker that stops organizations in their tracks: the fear of losing historical data. Years of call quality metrics, adoption trends, and performance baselines underpin critical reporting, compliance, and decision-making. Lose that, and you lose continuity. It's no wonder this fear holds organizations back. But I'm here to tell you that switching providers doesn't mean starting from scratch. So what are the challenges when switching at scale? For large enterprises, migrating between UC monitoring platforms is daunting. There is so much to consider, such as hundreds of sites, thousands of users, and multiple platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, SIP trunks, as well as legacy PBXs. And then there's years of accumulated performance and usage data, and business reports that rely on historical baselines to show progress or justify investment. When operating at scale, there is a real danger that a mismanaged migration could create data gaps, break adoption reports, or disrupt compliance audits. That's why so many organizations stay put even when their current tool no longer meets their needs or their provider is giving poor service. Industry trends demand change. The pace of UC evolution means clinging to a visibility-only tool is the bigger risk. Consider what's driving enterprises to rethink their monitoring strategy in 2025. Hybrid work is here to stay, driving complexity across networks and platforms. AI is bringing a new level of disruption that cannot be ignored. And vendor updates and consolidation are accelerating, increasing the risk of downtime. Also, AI and automation are setting new expectations for predictive, proactive operations. Budget pressures mean IT must deliver more with the same or fewer resources in this landscape, and monitoring alone is not enough. Organizations need platforms that not only retain their historical insights, but also automate, remediate, and optimize going forward. So, going beyond fear, let's see how data migration really works. Switching providers doesn't have to mean lost visibility. With the right approach, enterprises can carry their historical data into the new platform and preserve business continuity. The process looks like this. Export and validate. Existing data is extracted and cleaned for accuracy. Transform and map. Metrics are aligned to the new system schema. Ingest and consolidate. Data is imported, ensuring continuity of trends, baselines, and reports. And then test and optimize. Historical and live data are validated to ensure accuracy and usability. Handled correctly, the result is seamless. No gaps in reporting, no broken SLAs, and no lost insight. VOSS makes migration low risk. We've helped global enterprises and service providers switch UC monitoring platforms without losing a single day of visibility. Our proven migration pathways ensures historical data retention for reporting continuity and compliance. And nothing gets left behind with integration across multiple vendors and platforms. And you'll get a seamless transition into a platform that goes beyond monitoring, into automation, remediation, and optimization. You keep the insight you've built while gaining the intelligence and flexibility you need for the future. But it's not just about technology, it's also about knowing your vendor is giving you the best service you need, so you can stay agile, respond to change quickly, and have confidence that every conversation with your account team is adding value and not adding cost. With VOSS, the relationship is as seamless as the migration. And looking ahead, switching can be a springboard. Switching UC monitoring providers doesn't have to be a risk. With the right partner, organizations can preserve historical value, unlock new capabilities, and future-proof their UC management strategy. By 2026, the leaders won't be those holding on to outdated monitoring tools. They'll be the ones that turn migration into momentum, combining visibility with automation and intelligence to deliver smarter, more resilient collaboration environments that are ready to solve the latest challenges facing your business. Contact us to find out more.